Hello, I'm here to introduce to you a Northgate training activity, Decisions. In this activity, you'll be working in teams, and each team represents the management team of a travel company, Overseas Extreme Adventures Limited. Your team are going to be faced with a number of situations, 9 in all, on which you are going to make decisions, and you record these decisions on a decision slip. You currently have a party of Japanese tourists on one of your expeditions to Borneo, and you are monitoring their progress. They have a representative of the company with them, a courier called Dirk. You can see Dirk in the top picture in the white shirt. If he has any issues, he will email you and you will then decide how to resolve the problem. A key part of the activity is how you interact as a team in order to arrive at the best decision. This involves your interpersonal skills. Often poor decisions are made because one person dominates the group, or group members do not put forward their ideas for fear of appearing stupid, or individuals don't challenge other people's ideas because they don't like conflict, or members of the team don't listen to each other. To give a structure to the decision process, you can use what is called the decisions loop, which is a circle of steps with information always in the centre. Step 1 is to define the problem. Often problems are not defined carefully, and so teams go off at a tangent solving the wrong problem. It's important to discuss a problem using all the information available and deciding what the nub of the issue is. Step 2 is to list alternative solutions. In this activity, your options are listed for you. All you have to do is choose which option to take. There are 5 options each time. Step 3 is to evaluate the options using all the information available. This is where the pros and cons of each option are discussed, and you need to be sure the option you choose meets your overall objective. This assumes that you have a clearly identified overall objective. Step 4, implement the decision. Once you have chosen your option A, B, C, D or E, you input to the computer or laptop. Each team has its own 4-digit PIN number, which gets them to the right part of the program. Step 5 is deal with the consequences. Implementing the decision is not the end of the process. Any decision has consequences, and often these lead to a further problem, which is why this decision process is a loop. The program prints out a report after each decision which shows the consequences of your decision. Either you will have solved the issue or you will have not dealt with it adequately and you will face extra decisions. Together with details on the outcome of your decision, you will receive 2 further pieces of information. A statement of your account. You start this activity with the profit from the Borneo expedition, $12,610. Any money you spend comes out of this profit. The other piece of information is a morale gauge showing the level of customer satisfaction within the Japanese group. The gauge starts at 50 and can go down as well as up. Spending money on a problem may or may not improve customer satisfaction. Not spending money may alienate customers or may not. You have control over the amount of money you spend, but not necessarily on the reaction of the customers, just in real life. How far will you go to satisfy customers? How far should you go? It's up to you to decide. And what we might reflect on later is how decisions are made within your organisation and how do you deal with customers? How far would you go in reality to maintain or increase customer satisfaction? Over to you.